Hello and welcome to the Kenneth Vercammen Law Office Legal Podcast. This edition, we're looking at a couple reasons why people should have a will and an estate plan. So basically, everyone needs an estate plan unless you want your family to pay thousands of dollars in probate-related bond fees, etc., court costs, and undue stress after you pass away. So making your will is an important part of your financial management program to save your heirs time and money. Plan now for the orderly transfer of property. In this way, the cost of a bond and possible disagreement among those who are to receive your property may be avoided. You decide who, when, and in what amounts your assets should go. If you want to leave your assets to the Yellow Dog Society, that's your right. You also select your executor or personal representative, the person who shall be responsible for handling the estate. You may avoid the forced sale of property or costly and tediously applications to court for the right to sell it. You have greater assurance if your plan is carried out as you desire. One way to guarantee trouble to the family is not to make a will. Court records bulge with traffic tales of families torn apart and cause immeasurable pain and financial expense because the income producer did not do so. Without a will, your estate must be distributed according to the intestate laws. The provisions are general and inflexible. The law says who shall administer the estate and how it should be divided. By losing that privilege by naming an executor, you're making a costly mistake. Your property might not be divided as you want. Basically, someone who doesn't care about you could be getting the bulk of your assets. So it causes hardship for those you want to safeguard the most. Without a will, you lose that privilege in naming a guardian of a minor child. Therefore, a stranger determines who becomes the guardian. The stranger is a judge. So I'd say if you leave no immediate family, the failure to leave a will may result in your property going to persons in whom you have no particular interest. Wills are not do-it-yourself projects. Secure the services of an attorney. The risk is great, and a minor detail may invalidate your good intentions. So finally, we always say there's nothing more expensive than hiring a bad electrician or a bad lawyer. Don't select cheap. Cheap is never good. For more information on wills and probate, visit website njlaws.com. And for representation, contact Ken Vercammen's office in Edison at 732-572-0500. Thank you.